As our cohort schools started working at transforming their systems to create the ideal learning experience for all their learners, we knew we needed to focus on some long-standing structures that create barriers to our ability to meet every learner where they are ready to learn. Our old curriculum model seemed to be one of those barriers. Our new curriculum model here is designed to allow for multiple pathways, a combination of learning opportunities in and outside the classroom, and a recognition and application of the research on intrinsic motivation. As you can see from our model, we have separately defined the complex reasoning skills that, when used with content knowledge, help our learners get better at lifelong habits of mind. We decided to use Marzano's new taxonomy of educational objectives to define which critical thinking skills we would include in our complex reasoning circle. As you can see from our visual here, we've listed the 4 taxonomies and the reasoning processes that fall within each of those taxonomies. Our list of habits of mind at the bottom here is a collection from several different researchers and authors, including Benna Kalick, Art Costa, Robert Marzano, Deborah Pickering, Carol Dweck, and Stephen Covey. Now, the most important aspect of this curriculum model is what happens in the intersection of these 3 components. We ask teachers to focus on the content-level learning goals and determine what critical thinking skills will be required for their learners to deeply engage with that content. We also ask them to determine which habit or habits are necessary for the learner to be successful. Once teachers have determined which skills will be necessary, they prepare their lesson to include the explicit teaching of all 3 components, and most important, how they will provide their learners with feedback about their development of these skills and behaviors. In the rest of this lesson, we will ask you to explore what is included in these 3 components and how that relates to what you currently teach or observe in your own classrooms.